Māori are the indigenous people of New Zealand. There are many different Māori tribes, or iwi, and this is a story about Makō, a great chief of the Ngāti Kurī tribe, and how he rose to prominence at the Battle of Ōpōkihi. Ngāti Kurī lived at Kōrero, which literally means to eat crayfish. Kōrero was an area rich in resources and abundant with food, and as such was a prize worth fighting for. At this time, Makō's elder brother Maru was the leading chief of Ngāti Kurī, and Makō was just starting to build a reputation as one to watch for the future. Occasionally fighting broke out with a neighbouring tribe called Ngāti Māmoe, who lived just down the coast at a place called Pēketā Pā. A pā is a fortified settlement with palisades and defensive terraces, and ideally these places allowed access to water and food to sustain the tribe if they were under siege. But most importantly, a pā needed to be defendable, and the position of the pā at Pēketā offered the occupants many advantages. Pēketā Pā sat high up on a cliff face, overlooking the rocky Kōrero coastline. It offered uninterrupted views of the surrounding area and was impossible to approach unseen. Ngāti Kurī had tried to take the pā many times, but it was considered impregnable. In a ploy to lure Ngāti Māmoe out of the pā, Makō's uncle, Te Rākai Tauheke, dressed in an old seal skin and under the cover of darkness, placed himself on the beach beneath the cliffs of the pā. From the pā above, it looked as if a seal had come to shore to roll about on the beach. Seals were highly valued sources of protein, and the opportunity to capture this one lured the Ngāti Māmoe people out of the safety of the pā and onto the beach. When Ngāti Māmoe got close to him, Te Rākai Tauheke jumped up and started running back down the beach. The shocked warriors fell for the ploy and began chasing after him. But little did they know that Makō, Maru, their younger brother Kahupupuni, and other Ngāti Kurī warriors were lying in ambush not far away. Ngāti Māmoe ran straight into the trap and the fighting began. Maru took a spear to the shoulder and was badly injured. Sinking to his knees, he was at the mercy of the enemy as they closed in for the kill. Makō saw his brother in trouble and rushed in to protect him, fighting off his attackers. And with the help of his brother, Kahupupuni, they dragged Maru to safety. After a tough battle, Ngāti Kurī were victorious and took control of Pēketā Pā. Ngāti Māmoe left and moved south, putting more distance between them and Ngāti Kurī. Makō had shown bravery and saved his brother from certain death, and so it was here at the Battle of Ōpōkihi that his reputation as a great warrior was born.